we are back with another sales tip slash motivational video. This will be out later on today on Sunday. This is going to be a good one. This is all about, this is basically based on JFK's chat with a janitor at NASA. So it's a really good motivational speech. There's no sales really involved today, it's just mainly motivational. So let's make this one go viral. Come on, like, share, subscribe. Right after this, JFK's speech slash my motivational take on it.
Hi, I'm Mitch, salesman extraordinaire, and I learn all my skills from Karl Donnelly. So make sure you like and subscribe to his YouTube channel, and you can end up like me, having all this.
So we're back. Okay, so a long time ago, I think it was roughly around the 60s, JFK, the late 50s, JFK was walking through the NASA corridors and he seen a janitor and said to the janitor, "What are you doing?" Now the janitor was scrubbing the floors, he was really going 100 miles per hour, so JFK was like, "Slow down, what are you doing?" And he goes, "I can't, I'm trying to put a man on the moon." Now the reason he said, "I'm trying to put a man on the moon," will become clear after this kind of speech. You know, you're worth more than what you think you are in the job. 100% worth more than what you think you are. Now I work with a lot of people that work on the phones in customer service in different countries, Ireland, England, Canada. So on this kind of speech that I'm going to give, this benefits everybody. Customer service agent, a sales agent, a cleaner in a building, it represents everybody. So when you're on the phone, okay, and you're speaking to a client or a customer, you've got to remember, you have the power to make that customer's day. You can make his day or you can break his day. Now, if you're giving him the worst service ever, and we've all had this, where, you know, it's just really rubbed you up the wrong way, that can really affect your rest of the day. Your decisions can be based on that. When you're thinking, "Oh, I'm so angry, I'm so peed off." On the other hand, you can give him the best service ever, and he can go and, you know, spread that positivity in the world because he's just so happy his day has started off well, or his day has became well because you have given him great service. Now imagine you're speaking to a manager of a company, okay, and you're on the phone, he's ringing you up about his broadband, you're speaking to a manager in the company. Now, you give him the worst possible service, you've really peed him off, you've upset him, you know, he's not happy. He goes then and speaks to his 5 managers that work underneath him, and is just spreading that negativity. They again them managers spread it to the staff who go on the phones, speak to 100 people each. You know, already that's about 2,500 people negative because of you. Now imagine you speak to a doctor or something like that, and you've really peed him off. He could then go into his, you know, patients, or maybe it could be a surgeon, and he goes in and does the wrong, you know, does something wrong because he's not paying attention because he's still really angry about that. Now you could say, yeah, like, it's his fault, he should be more professional, but we've all had it. I've had some bad service where it's affected me for the whole day and it's really made me decisions bad. Now imagine giving that good service to them people. The customer rings up, you do everything he asks for, you help him out, you get him the best package possible, he goes off thinking, "I love that company, that is fantastic." Now instead of him being paid off for the day, he spreads positivity throughout the whole day. So people are just delighted to speak to him because he's so positive, and it affects his day in a really good way. He goes home at night time, sits with his family, you know, everybody's happy. Now, why did I just talk about all that, basically? Because I want you to understand, everybody that works for a company, you are just as important as anybody else that works for the company. It doesn't matter how high they are. You are the face for the company, you are the voice of that company, you represent that company. So you are more than what you do. You know, so that janitor, back to the janitor, when he said to JFK, when JFK said to him, "Why are you like scrubbing so hard?" And he says, I'm putting a man on the moon. He was putting a man on the moon. If he hadn't have done his job to his best ability, it wouldn't have allowed the other people, the rocket scientists, to go and actually put a man on the moon, because his job was like a domino effect to other people's jobs, and then they actually put a man on the moon. So he did play his part in putting the man on the moon. He should be proud of that as well. The same with people who work in these call centres or work in any kind of job. You're the face of this company. This company has given you a job. You need to respect that. You need to be the best you can be. It's just a quick video today. First time trying a motivational one. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel. Like. Until tomorrow, you know, it's always a new day. If we can forget about the previous day, start a new day like a bull in a china shop and really hit your targets. It's Monday tomorrow, guys. Come on. It's nearly the end of the month. We need to push it so you have a good month. And, you know, we cannot make changes until we change our actions. Our actions need to change before our habits change. So if you want different results, change the actions that you are doing and make them good actions a habit, and then you'll get different results. Until next time, I'll see you